Good afternoon. It is Sunday, the 15th of September. I am here with Josh.
Yes.
And Matthew.
Yes.
And we are travelling from Arbroath station. Hello, Arbroath. To Larbert. And we're changing only one place in Stirling. To the trains. Cats at the ready.
Yes.
Train is approaching. Train is approaching. Are you ready to get that lucky shot when it swings around the corner? I can see it. It is. Oh, it's got 5 coaches. That's a rare thing. The golden 5-carriage train to Glasgow Queen Street. Let's get a horn. Come on. Oh, a wave is good enough. We want to be in the front half of the train. What do we get?
This is Arbroath. This train is for Glasgow Queen Street.
Perfect
Next
seats.
stop is Dundee.
Right here. Here we are. Well done, gents.
Let's get it.
Stirling, here we come.
Yeah, 1 minute. Just checking.
By Arbroath.
I'm just checking I've got my wallet.
Thanks for a wonderful weekend.
Yes. Aye, aye.
One station down. How many to go?
3.
Nah, there's more than that.
4.
Arbroath.
6.
Arbroath. Tech. Goodbye, Arbroath.
Lovely view.
Very nice view. To go through Barry Link Station, which is what used to be Britain's least used railway station. You ready?
Are you telling that to the camera?
Yeah, and you. Right, so that was Golf Street Station, so that wasn't it. Right, okay, this is.
Oh, I'm on the edge of my seat here.
I know, so am I.
I'm actually falling off my seat.
It's in my heart. I know. You know when you just feel. You know when you. There, that's Barry Links. There it was.
I saw it, yeah.
That was so worth it, wasn't it?
Yeah, for like a
Yes. We're getting pretty close to Dundee. You can see the offsets of Fife. Oh, there's the Tay Bridge.
Fife's not over there.
That is Fife.
No, it's not.
Coming into Dundee. Nothing there. Yeah, Dundee. Here we go. I don't even know what you're saying. It is Dundee. It's fairly recently the station got refurbished. Unfortunately, we don't have time for that. Oh, whoops. Dundee. Tick. There's Dundee Airport. Scotrail have installed their Class 170s with phone plugs for your charger. Well done, Scotrail. Coming into Perth. Here for onward travel journeys to Inverness. Is there Richie? Perth, here we come. Made it to Perth. It's a really sunny day now. There's Matthew and Josh. Back on the train.
Glasgow Queen.
Oh, there it is.
It's Glen Eagles. The last 10 minutes of landscape have been absolutely beautiful. And it's the sun's shining, and it's like 5:20 in the evening, and it's still so nice. Boys, Josh is joining me this time. Say hello to the world.
Yo.
Glen Eagles. Such a beautiful station. Big sign down there. 5 train. Josh, what do you think of Glen Eagles? Oh boy.
It's amazing.
I know, right? All aboard.
Yes.
You do it.
Glen Eagles. Tick.
Full Glen Eagles.
Gone.
Wow, you just put a negative spin on something so positive. Coming to Dunblane. So you can see the river down there. Nice signal box. Dunblane. Made it to Dunblane. Only one stop to go until Stirling. Yep. We're on time. Dunblane. Turn this time. Dunblane. Tick. Do it.
Dunblane. Tick.
Close to Stirling now. Left done by a couple of minutes ago. You boys ready for the biggest change of your life? Apart from people changing. Yeah, the biggest. Well, yes, it's the biggest change of your life. You were changing from platform 3 to platform 10. Can you believe it? Wallace Monument up there.
Where's Wally?
Where's our next train at?
We've got half an hour when we get to Stirling.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's plenty of time to get a Kit Kat, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's also a lot of fuel.
Made to Stirling. I mean, I think see that train there? I think that's it. But we can't get it yet. There's Kit Kats in here.
Kit Kats. Yes.
Oh my gosh, I know what I'm doing for the next 15 seconds of my life. How do we use this?
Alright. So
We want 38.
No. Oh, you gotta put your money in first.
8.
You put that in there.
Okay, yeah, I put it in. Oh, I've only got £1, okay, I put 1 in.
5 pence.
Push it in.
5
Okay,
pence.
and then I need 5p. Oh man, I'm so disorganised. This video is going to be rubbish. Put it in.
38. Put in 38.
I've put in that. Oh. Yes.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, Josh.
Yes. Okay, so it didn't give me change. Scotrail, if you're listening or watching, can you please price your vending machines with more reasonable prices? This Kit Kat cost me £1.20 and it should have cost me £1.05. Also, this man nearly lost his ticket. I'm watching you. Josh, will you do the honours?
Yes. Beautiful.
I know, right? 3 fingers. 3 people. 1 finger
Maths.
each. Maths. Okay, Matthew, here's your finger. Don't eat it yet for the big finale. Josh, here's your finger. Don't eat it yet.
It's just like the last Kit Kat we'll
Here's
have.
my finger. Ready, sit steady, eat. The Highland Chieftain! It's got a name! How do you feel?
Don't know.
There's just been a platform alteration. Our train's now going to be from platform 6. Follow me to platform 6, let's go. I know, right? Three Kit Kat fingers of justice. This is a nerdy train fact. I mean, I warn you. This train is a 385, and so's that one. This one's numbered 385029, and this one's numbered 385031. This second train here was born 2 trains after this one. They're like brothers, and they're being reunited at Stirling Station on platforms 7 and 8.
Emotional scenes.
Oh, 1p.
I know, this is a really emotional moment for these trains. Do you know, earlier on in this video, I said the 5-carriage train was like the pinnacle of all Scotrail, like it was the golden ticket of trains. That is the second 5-carriage train I've seen today.
I'm more of a
Breakdown.
Galaxy fan than a Kit Kat.
How can you say that? Need to move platform quickly because this train's coming to Edinburgh and my dad's just texted saying he's in Larbert, so we can get the earlier train again. Doesn't it make you happy? The one we were like inscribed to get, so.
This is like their cousin.
I am impressed that you like recorded that number. You're becoming a train nerd.
He's a trainee.
Oh yeah, nice.
Nice.
On our last train. Like the old song, take the last train to Larbert. It's only gonna be like 2 minutes, so we should film a time lapse of it and then put it in the video. A
Yeah,
time
and
lapse.
then put some
Are you
epic
filming
music.
right now?
Oh yeah, I always put music on it.
Are you filming right now?
Of course I am.
Make a time lapse in 3, 2, 1.
it to Larbert. Yes! We did it! Okay. Both of you do it exact same time.
Larbert,
Tick.
tick.
Yay! Josh, here's your finger. Don't eat it yet.
Just like the last Kit Kat wheel.
Here's my finger. Ready, steady, eat. I mean, that was just one of the weirdest shots I've ever taken in my life. But for the purpose of this video, I think it works really well. Kit Kats.